So I literally installed this 12-inch water wave headband wig in less than 3 minutes, and I'm going to show you how to do it real quick and fast. You don't need any skills whatsoever. If you're new to wigs overall, this video is for you, because trust me, you'll be a pro after watching this. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm here about to unbox this headband wig from Marabelle Haircare. I'm super excited because I really want to see what the quality is like, what goodies I get, and how it fits on my head, like how comfortable it is. So packaging is really nice so far. I'm gonna open out the box, and then we have this cute little thank you note. I love. Let's see how they have, you know, the headband wig in this cute little bag. So let's see what it's looking like. Right, so I got the 12-inch water wave headband wig. I'm going to take it out in a moment, but let's just look at these goodies. So I got some lashes, I got the wig cap, and also an edge brush with the edge control sample. The edge control sample, I actually have it. I used it to do my edges, and I must say it's literally 10 out of 10. I've used the edge control before, and it's really good. This is how it looks. I'm gonna tag the information below, but let's get to the headband wig. So taking it out of this bag, quality so far is looking really nice. It's very soft. I'm loving it, literally. And I just want to put it on right now, but ooh. So it comes with 3 hooks inside the wig cap. It's actually looking very stretchy, and it has a Velcro strap, and also it has adjustments around the headband wig where you can adjust it to your head size. Like, it actually has 3 different slots. Yeah, if you can see right here. So let's get to it. I didn't even cornrow my hair because no one has time to cornrow their hair. Okay, so I just put my hair in 4 plaits, and it's gonna have to fit pretty much, right? So I got on my wig cap, and then I'm gonna center it. So I normally put it behind my hairline because I want it to look as natural as possible, not too wiggy. And I'm gonna put in the first pin, but I'm gonna put it a little bit further back. So I'm gonna put it like right here. It's comfortable so far. I'm not feeling any pricks in my scalp from the combs. And I'm gonna install the other one right here, and then I am going to do the Velcro at the back, and pretty much that's it. What I'm gonna do is just spray it with some water. The curl itself is literally giving. I'm gonna do a close-up in just a moment, but I'm gonna just spritz the hair with some water because I actually love that wet look. That's literally all me. So let me just get my detangling brush and just fix it a little bit. And I love how comfortable it's feeling so far. It's not feeling bulky whatsoever. I'm just gonna put a little defining gel in it, and then I'm gonna pretty much just comb it out. But this is really easy though, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, if you're a girly that's literally like on the go and don't have any time for all of this, like doing your hair like for hours, then this would definitely be the wig for you, because it's basically done now. Like I'm so amazed at how little time it took me to put on this wig and how flowy it is. Like the hair is not stiff whatsoever. You can see how defined the curls are naturally when it came out of the box, and now when I just spray some water on it, right? And it's just flowing. It has movement and it's not feeling fake whatsoever. It is 100% human hair, but you know, sometimes they have the mixed fiber, but this is definitely not giving mixed fiber whatsoever. Like, check it out. I'm gonna do some close-ups, right? So the quality is really giving like 10 out of 10, and what I love is that when I run my hands through it, there's like no shedding so far, because I've gotten headband wigs and literally from the first brush there's like loads of hair in my hand, and that's so annoying. I hate a hair that like sheds out a lot. So that's definitely a plus for me. And as you can see, the back is actually pretty full. You can't see any of the tracks. I love how comfortable this is. The stretchy strap or band right here, it literally is so nice and thin and soft, and it doesn't feel like it's suffocating my head whatsoever. Because trust me, I've been through it with my share of uncomfortable headband wigs, and this is definitely something that I would recommend for sure. You could try it out. What I'm gonna do is post the information for the edge control right below the video. I'm also gonna post the website so that you could check out the other types of wig that they have available, and of course the Instagram page will be there. So yeah, pretty much. You could also comment and ask any questions about the wig that you have in mind. It's 100% human hair, as I said, so that means that it can be bleached, and you could alter the curl pattern. So if you want to do a twist out with it or anything like that, then that would be possible for sure. So you can like and subscribe. Thank you so much for coming by. And yeah, you don't need any skills to put on a headband wig, okay? It's like that, ABC 1 2 3. So bye.
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me, just think about it.